Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we discuss another method in solution of triangle. Two sides and an angle opposite in one of them are given. Suppose side B, side C and angle B are given. In this case, there may exist two triangles or one triangle. So now you take a problem in this method. Solve the triangle side B equal to root 2, side C equal to root 3 and opposite angle to side B, angle B equal to 45 degrees. First you have to write the given values. So they have given angle B opposite to side B and after angle C find opposite to side C. We write the formula from sine rule b by sine b equal to c by sine c. We apply the cross multiplication. After that sine c equal to c sine b by side b. Known values substitute in this formula root 3 into sine 45 degrees by root 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 whole divided by root 2. Root 2 is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is a 2. Finally root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as in sine terms sine 60 degrees. In both sides sine cancelled and finally required side C equal to 60 degrees. In such cases exist two triangles. Another required angle is C equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. And then finally 120 degrees. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees in the first solution and angle C is equal to 120 degrees is the second solution. In this problem exist two solutions. And after that we have to find the remaining values. We have to write given values in both solutions and also write the angle C equal to 60 degrees in first solution and angle C equal to 120 degrees in the second solution. And solution 1, the remaining value is angle A and side A. And also solution 2 is the remaining value is angle A and side C. Angle A and side A. First we have to find angle A. The relation between three angles is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. B plus C sent to RHS side, then 180 minus of B plus C. 180 minus of where B is a 45 degrees plus 60 degrees. 180 minus 105 degrees is the finally required angle A equal to 75 degrees. Next we have to find side A. We know that using the sine rule A by sine A equal to and required side A by sine A equal to given side B by sine B. Apply the cross multiplication A equal to B sine A by sine B. Substitute known values in this formula. Side A equal to root 2 into sine 75 degrees by sine B. B is 45 degrees. Root 2 in sin 75 is the root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sin 45 is a 1 by root 2. One by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is a root 2. Root 3 plus 1 into root 2 by 2. This is the required side A. Next we have to find the remaining values of solution 2. We know the relation A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. A equal to 180 minus of B plus C, where B is a 45 degrees and C is a 120 degrees. 180 minus 165 degrees, then 15 degrees. This is the required angle. Next we have to find side A using the formula B sin A by sin B. Substitute in this values in this formula, where B is the root 2, sin A is 15 degrees, sin B is 45 degrees. Root 2 into sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and the value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. And root 2 cancel, and then finally required side A is equal to root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by 2 by 2. This is the solution 2. In this problem, there exist two solutions of a triangle. Thank you.